Buying a foreclosed home can be a fantastic opportunity to acquire real estate at a significant discount compared to market value. Most foreclosures happen when a homeowner fails to make mortgage payments and the bank takes legal possession of the property. You can find these properties through online auction sites or by searching for real estate-owned listings on major housing portals. It is important to understand that most foreclosed homes are sold in as-is condition, which means the bank will not make any repairs. You must perform a thorough title search to ensure there are no hidden liens or unpaid property taxes attached to the house. Many foreclosure auctions require you to have the full purchase price in cash, which can be a major barrier for first-time buyers. If you are using a mortgage to buy a foreclosure, you must ensure the home is in livable condition to meet the lender's strict requirements. Visit homebuyingrealty.com to download our foreclosure buyer's guide and learn how to navigate the risks and rewards of distressed real estate.